Hello everybody, we are back today and we have a little surprise for you all.
Yeah.
So we are actually standing in an empty car park. So that can only mean one thing.
We did mention in the Queensland video that we had a project, but I don't know about the project. Kate's been organising this since Cape York, which has been...
A couple months away.
Yeah, a couple months ago. So it's meant to be turning up anytime soon. Our friend JT, if you remember him from the Fraser video, is bringing it.
Yes.
So
yes, I've promised Shania it's a 10-second car, which it will be.
I hope it is, because I really like it. We did have a Maloo that I'm very hoping that this is the 10-second car.
But yeah, I think I can almost hear it coming up the road actually, so you shouldn't be too far away.
It doesn't sound like a 10-second car.
Does to me. I can hear it coming. What do you reckon? I can hear it.
Oh my god.
Mate, it's a little weapon.
What do you reckon? 10 seconds?
Yeah.
Easy. I got her up to 80, but that was going downhill with a tailwind.
Did you turn the aircon off?
Hang on, I'm turning it off now.
Oh, right. That's mad. But it's no 10-second car.
Not yet.
Not
Maybe
yet.
one day it will be.
Not yet.
It took 10 seconds to get from first to second.
That's mad, actually. That's mad. Righto, let's get to it.
Rightio, so this little weapon is a 1985 BJ73 Land Cruiser. Now there's a few things special about this one. The colour, faded red. Custom.
Custom faded.
Custom.
Yeah, but it's custom.
It's custom faded.
What is your first car? I wouldn't expect you to understand.
We'll have a look. We'll start inside, you know. Normally they start at the front. We'll start with the good stuff. So, you know, washable door cards. That's the first thing. Washable. Just pressure wash them out. Now this is actually an upgrade. So Toyota, they've still got the same technology, 2024. They don't have cup holders. They don't have speakers in the doors. So this is aftermarket. Floor mat, also aftermarket. Floor.
Washable.
Washable. I'm sure at some stage in its life it did have a proper floor. It no longer has a proper floor. One cool upgrade that someone did do was cruise control. It is a lawnmower cable attached to the accelerator to keep it pulled down.
Wow, look at us go.
Now, we have got 3 seats. Classic. Room for the whole family. Across the front.
Like they did in 1980.
There's a little 5-speed manual. Now this one has actually got a seat cover fitted.
Wow,
I think that was an extra.
look at that.
No cup holders, so you can say it's basically a brand new Land Cruiser. Stereo, come around the other side, dear. I'll get the door for you. No central locking. Vic, jump in, take the tour. Now, we do have the handle of
Oh, Jesus handle.
Christ.
Yep.
Now, real fancy, this one. So, as you can see, the air conditioning controls.
Here. Oh, hang on. I'm missing one.
Oh, no, sorry.
Oh, yep. Here's the
On the
aircon
dash, that
control.
one, yep.
Yep.
You don't want people turning the aircon on too cold, you know.
Especially when you're trying to
So-
go uphill.
That's a privilege, that handle in this vehicle. Stereo. I believe that
Maybe?
was probably a cassette back in the day, but this one has got a stereo, although the Bluetooth does not even work. Quite disappointing about that one. Boost gauge, that can only mean one thing. It has got a turbocharger fitted. That's
Yeah,
right, baby.
baby.
That's right. And then down here we've got a water temperature gauge, exhaust temperature gauge, a whole heap of switches that I've actually got no idea what happens. If you look down here,
Wow.
copper's cheap. So they've put heaps of just copper under here, you know, donations, you could say. Should we have a look at the back, dear? And that's the back.
What's the bar?
The bar is a roll bar because We'll jump out and talk about this one. It excites me.
All right.
Okay. So, now, as you've seen, there's a roll bar inside. But this is fiberglass, FRP top. Don't crack it. This actually unbolts, so you can take the roof off. The windscreen folds forward. You can take the windscreen off the front if you really want. The rear doors.
Yes, this is the inside.
Okay.
Inside the back.
The door's gonna.
Oh, well, oh. Okay. Few upgrades need to happen.
Aftermarket drawers. We'll take these out because we've got big plans for the back of the car, and you can't be cruising down the beach getting sand on your drawers. So yeah, so when we got to get a few things for it. It does need a bit of love, but factory, probably factory, I don't know what even happened in 40 years ago. We've got a rear bar with a tow bar. That doesn't even look like it's ever. Oh, don't worry, it has got a trailer plug, so yes, you can tow stuff with it. Yeah, but that's the rear bar, as you can see. The old roof has seen better days. It's very hard to find one of these cars, you know. Very rare. A lot of character.
How lucky are we, doll?
Well, look at that. That's R.M. Williams, mate. You don't just get them everywhere, do you?
Probably got them when they first come out.
Probably.
1952, there you go. Oh, 32.
About
8
the
years
same, about the same age as the car,
Yep,
almost.
well, they were original then.
Right out. We'll take a look at. We'll shut the doors later. Or do you want to shut it now?
Shut it now.
It's a mission.
Oh, 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 oh.
Consider it shut. Rightio, so now we're starting at the back. So we spoke about the tow bar. Now, aftermarket fuel tank has been fitted to this vehicle, so we've got twin fuel tanks.
Whoa.
Twice the distance. We've got some flares. Now down here, we've just got the old classic Sunraysers. 60 bucks a rim, cheap. BFGs, take you anywhere. Classic mirrors.
Same design for the last 40 years.
They still adjust like a brand new Toyota, manually, or under wind. Wind also adjusts them for you. Now we've got the fold down front windscreen. This one's been siliconed up, so I'm guessing the seals leak. But it is going to fold down at some stage.
Yeah.
The bonnet, well, we've got the chrome grille. You know why we got the chrome grille, Dale?
Why?
Because this is the LX edition. Top of the line.
Whoa.
We didn't get air conditioning, but we got a chrome grille. Bull bar, the aerial. I'm not sure what the aerial's for, but it's on there. Now we'll come around to the front. We've got a couple little lights. We've got a few little dents. They'll buff out, won't they? Yeah. Factory, probably not factory, but we've got a Safari snorkel. Can't go wrong there.
With
it's got,
one bolt
it's
in
got
it.
one rivet holding it.
Wow.
That's right. We'll pop the bonnet. We'll show you where the real powerhouse is. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I'll get it.
All right, all
I
right.
got it.
All right. Wow. Gas struts.
You don't get that in your new Land Cruiser. So what have we got under the bonnet? The elephant in the room is this whopper. Like literally it's the size of a whopper. Aftermarket turbo fitted. It's got high mount manifold. We've got factory airbox.
And that's
She's
about
flash.
it.
That's about it, yeah.
Lots and lots of wiring that needs to be cleaned up, doll.
What do you mean? That works.
Where does it go to?
Over here. And then over here. And then, wonder what that goes to. That just keeps coming.
So by the looks of it, we've got a lot of work to do.
Yep.
Now let's swap it.
Just chuck this in the bin, you reckon?
So what did we get this car for?
We got this car for, obviously, reliability.
Yep.
Can never have too much reliability in your life. As you will see, it's a rig. So our plan is to take it up and just thrash it, really.
So we were at Cape York and these people had like a flooded car that they took And we thought, wouldn't that be mad if we
Yeah.
just had a shit box?
They had some cheap cars that they took up there and they didn't care what they done. So got on Marketplace one night.
Like the
scrolling-
night we got back from Cape Telly.
Scrolling through, I didn't actually search for this vehicle, it just popped up. Hell of a
Fate.
deal. And the bloke had $17,000 on it. And then he had dropped it to $10,000. I was like, cool, we're getting better. Because they're pretty hard to find, these cars. Actually, they are hard to find when they're not all rusty. And then I sent him a message and he said it needed some work done. And I said, because we were up at Cape York still, and Shania was not happy because I didn't tell you about it actually. I just said, I messaged a bloke about a car.
And I
she's
said,
like,
wait.
I hope you didn't, did ya?
I said, wait, we are not even ready. And
My response was, too late, already done. And now look
and now-
how happy she is with our purchase.
Righto, well, we better get some work done, I think, by the looks.
Yeah, so it ain't gonna do itself. Okay, so the only thing that needs to be checked on now is if the dog actually likes the car. Millie, come for a drive. Let's see what her thoughts are, quick.
Does she like it?
Up.
Oh. Yay!
Sit down. You steering?
Front seat
Move
passenger
over.
car.
Let's go. Don't slam it.
You told me to slam it.
I was joking. It's bloody retro, mate.
Oh, God. Righto. Let's get started with this building process.
Righto, we're gonna go park him in the shed, start pulling it apart, so we know what we got to fix. See if it starts actually.
Oh, reliable.
That's it.
To head for the hills. Now you got the feeling.
Somebody did it right.